Just smashed 2 dishes of Indian food. Now I'm gonna have a masala tea. Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'm on Soy 18. What we're going to do, we're going to have a Ruby Murray to celebrate the 3,000 subscribers. What lovely people you are. Anyway guys, let's go check this place out. So here we are on Soy number 18, Pradiphat. What we're going to do, we're going to walk straight down this little road here. It's just here, on the right hand side there. I came here about a month ago and I had this pad see ew Mark Queen's recommended, and that was absolutely off the charts. Really was. Here we go. Hope this is good. Okay, so I never knew this place was here until I came down the other day. Oh, it was a few weeks, a month ago, wasn't it? I had the pad see ew over there. I spotted this place. Anyway, there's this thing here that says menu. You can scan it yourself to see the menu. As you can see, I have quite a lot of stuff on there. So let's get ordering, guys. It's okay to order a mashed potato?
Mashed potato. No, this one is this one. Mashed potato is different.
Oh, how much is it?
This one is this one.
Okay.
140. Say 140.
Okay, I'll get that one, okay?
This one, no? That one.
Yeah, okay. Done one. And chicken tikka masala. And we'll have some rice as well. Just this one, number 67 rice. Huh? Jeera rice. Never had the Indian mashed potatoes before. This should be interesting. Hot day out there today. So, yeah, it's open till 11 o'clock if you want to get down there. I'll leave all the details in the description. Yeah, so I want to say thank you to the new members that have joined this month as well. It's only $1, but that $1 goes to videos like this. So cheers, guys. That's much appreciated. Anyway, let's go check out the back. There's some seating out the back. See what it's like. Okay, so if you are a smoker, you can come and sit down there. Yeah, this place is all right. Okay, so I have a few Indian videos, Indian food videos. I've got a playlist. I'll leave it down there. There's about 4 or 5 different Indian restaurants I've been to. So yeah, go and check them out while you. Not now. After this video, go and check them out. So this, I'm really looking forward to. Balls of mashed potato, filled with cottage cheese and cooked in Indian spices. This is going to be the first time for me having this. While we're here, we might as well have a masala tea, haven't we? I'm English and I love tea. So we've got a little bit of a side salad there. Here's a chicken tikka masala. And that's the mashed potatoes. The smell is unbelievable. I wish you could smell this through the camera. Wow. And there we have a big plate of my favourite rice in the whole world. Oh yeah, let's get stuck in. I'm going to start off with some mashed potatoes. It's not really mashed, but got potatoes in there. Oh, that's nice. Very, very, very nice. Wow. Oh, I like that. You can mix that with the rice. A little bit salty. The flavour's lovely. Let's try this other one. Not bad. Not bad, that. It's spicy. The chicken. Oh, very nice. What we have to do, we're going to add some rice on there. And yeah, just mix it all up. I want to take some of this home with me, so I'm not going to pour it all on the plate. I'll have a bit of that, some of this, I thought there were carrots in there, but it's the tandoori chicken, isn't it? Plenty of sauce on there, and some of these potatoes. Taste a little bit like a vindaloo or butter chicken. They're probably totally different flavours. But anyway, there we go. Look at that. Keep getting up. Should try to get a bit of the thumbnail, shouldn't I? Good. The rice, perfect. Oh, I like that. Let's smash this. This is lovely. Chicken is. I'd like to see how we do the chicken. Probably on a massive skewer. Oh, that's lovely, that. Well worth it. Oh, it's one of my favourite foods. I'm liking those mashed potatoes. Get a fork out, aren't we? I'm going to eat all of it, I think. We could take that one home. We'll just eat all of it. This is good. I'm going to add food like this for a while. It's so nice. I'm in heaven. I don't know what to say. I've been down here loads of times and I never realised this place was here. Yeah, it's good stuff. I'm going to crack on and eat this. and I'll bring you back when it's time for a cup of tea. Fantastic. There we have it, look guys, all gone, look at that. Wow. I smashed a lot. Look what turned up. My masala tea. One of the best teas in the world. You taste all them spices in there. Oh, fantastic. Cheers. Okay, so our bill came in at 460. I'll leave the price on the screen there. Okay, so there we have it guys. That was absolutely off the charts, that was. I don't know if it's my best, but it's definitely up there. And for that price, that's really, really good. Anyway guys, hit the like button, subscribe button, and I'll catch you in another video. See you later, my friends.